Have you ever wondered if the productivity app you're using is powered by AI? Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp to find out if it's leveraging the power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. But is it being integrated into the tools we use daily? Let's investigate. Section 1. Understanding ClickUp and ChatGPT. ClickUp Overview. Briefly explain what ClickUp is and its core features. Highlight its reputation as a versatile productivity platform. ChatGPT explained. Define ChatGPT, its capabilities, and how it works. Discuss its potential applications in various fields. Section 2. Analyzing ClickUp's features. AI-powered features. Examine ClickUp's features that hint at potential AI integration. Look for functionalities like natural language processing. Can you search for tasks or projects using natural language? Automated task suggestions. Does ClickUp recommend tasks based on your workflow or past actions? Intelligent task prioritization. Does the app prioritize tasks using AI-driven algorithms? User interviews. Share insights from interviews with ClickUp users. Ask them about their experiences and if they've noticed any AI-driven features. Section 3. Investigating ClickUp's public statements. Press releases and announcements. Review ClickUp's official communications to see if they've mentioned ChatGPT or AI integration. Social media. Analyze ClickUp's social media posts for any clues or hints about AI usage. Section 4. Comparing ClickUp to other AI-powered tools. Competitor analysis. Compare ClickUp to other productivity tools known for their AI capabilities. Feature comparison. Highlight similarities and differences in terms of AI-driven features and functionalities. Section 5. The verdict. Does ClickUp use ChatGPT? Evidence analysis. Summarize the findings from the previous sections. Expert opinions. Share insights from experts in the field of AI and productivity tools. Conclusion. Based on the evidence, provide a definitive answer to the question. Does ClickUp use ChatGPT? Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and experiences with ClickUp in the comments section. Ask viewers to subscribe for more tech-related content. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.